Hey folks, Saidi Johnson here, MarineMax Sail and Ski in Austin, Texas, 183 location. Today we're here to talk about the 2019 200 Ski Nautique open bow. And I want to share some of my favorite features about this boat with you. This Ski 200 has a very nice helm. You can notice it's got the selector knob, it's got all the modern features, link pan array, touch screen or knob controlled, very ergonomic dash, thick steering wheel. And another cool thing to have in a helm that a lot of boats don't have is the battery switch right here, easy access to the driver. Also, when you look at the sea deck scheme, the design of the boat on the inside, how fresh and good it feels in here. Hard motor box, feels very modern. Simple design, but very nice. One of the things we really like on the Ski Nautique 200 is that it's got the ZR4 409, which is 400 horsepower. So it's a really nice feature, great engine, and we even got a automatic fire suppression system built in on this one. So nice motor box, pretty boat. And because it's a ski boat, one thing Nautique did really well was make sure that at ski speeds, this boat is maximizing on a flat wake like no other. One of the other great features about this boat is when you're underneath this Bimini top, you feel like you're in a stadium seated watching an event. It's pretty nice. Another great feature is the jump seat has a foldable backrest, entry, air dam if you want it to get into the open bow. Ski Nautique 200 open bow, nice boat. Thanks for joining us today. If you have any questions about this boat or any other models, please call me or our other staff members, or come see us at our locations, Austin, Lakeway, San Antonio. We'll see you on the water.